grass.
Yeah. It smells like
the
a grass. It
problem.
smells like a grass stain. It smells like a dirty little boy with grass stain.
Yeah,
The things that we do to have our energy to work on Saturdays.
Vicky, I don't always bring shots to work.
But when she does, they're wheatgrass shots.
That doesn't even look good.
Ugh. Maria?
Grass.
It tastes
like
like
grass.
I wish you could see what Julie was doing right now.
Oh, she will.
She is. Are you videoing that? Claudia's videoing us. Apparently.
I'll try
She
it.
brought in wheatgrass
I know the things you take
shots
shots
to drink, and it looks just like
You didn't kill me.
it's grass, liquid grass, and it smells like a little dirty boy that's been
Like
playing. in
half-
It's
grass.
good for us. It will give us energy to work on
I'm
these
not
many
drinking
loans
that.
today.
I didn't even know. I smelled it and gagged. I'm not doing it. Pinch your nose. Pinch your nose. What?
It's grass, right?
Mhm.
It just tastes like grass.
Kill, you're eating grass.
Great, that one's for you.
Yeah.
I'll find like another
Here,
victim.
I'll get you, Claudia. Here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it smells like grass.
Oh, the server went down there or something.
Later,
Compared to what?
oh, when you have energy all day, you'll be like, is this weird?
Gross.
Yeah, not good.
I like it.
Scary. Are you the only one there?
You're welcome.
I just sent an email to all the processors like, who's out there working?